I am originally a Kiowa and Comanche, and beef was always part of our culture, whether it be the ground beef or steaks. It was just something that we have always had on the grill or on the stove.
I've known Kelly 20 plus years. She was a great cook, and she had a knack for making the Indian tacos.
I connected with fry bread through my grandmother. That was our thing. Redbone Indian Tacos originated by helping a family in our community, and I knew the one way that I could help was through Indian tacos.
And that went big potatoes. I'm just telling you, everybody loved it.
The response to the food at the fundraiser was absolutely overwhelming. The Indian taco is a fluffy, round, golden fry bread that gets topped off with our seasoned beef, seasoned beans, as well as shredded cheese, lettuce, tomatoes, onion, jalapenos, salsa, and sour cream is served on the side. It wouldn't be anything without the beef.
Having this whole community out here having a great time, it brings a smile to my face every time, making my mom's dreams come true.